Learn to read. Makes two sounds spelling list. Dictation. The cook took a spoon for his food while he read a book. Flashcards and workbooks linked below. 1. Pool. 2. Moon. 3. Cook. 4. Look. 5. Foot. 6. Hood. 7. Food. 8. Boot. 9. Book. 10. Spoon. 11. Took. 12. Root. Pool. 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 Moon. 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 Cook. Cook. Look. Look. Foot. Foot. Hood. Hood. Food. Food. Boot. Boot. Book. Book. Spoon. Spoon. Took. Took. Root. Root. Dictation. The cook took a spoon for his food while he read a book. The cook took a spoon for his food while he read a book. Practice this dictation by writing until you can write it without looking at the words.